Hi, it's Alan from Blackdown again. I thought I'd show you the latest addition to our flock of huts, which is our family brace. If you want to follow me inside, we'll go and have a quick look around. And so we've got here a handcrafted kitchen with an induction hob and a fridge and a nice dining area. Plenty of space around there for you and your friends and family. Through to the other side, and we have a really nice seating area with our cushions by Natural Mat, wood burning stove, and our mirror TV, just to keep the kids entertained. And through the walkway into the back half of the hut, we've got a nice little fun bunk bed for a small person. And then down below, king size double bed, which obviously a couple can sleep in, maybe a couple of children. We've got the nice stars in the ceiling there. Around into our bathroom, where we have all the essentials, plus a large shower. So then back through to the front of the hut, and if you've got a couple of children, you can put them to bed in the back, and then we have our wall bed underneath the stargazing roof. So here we can easily sleep 5 in this hut.